Top 5 Mars Mysteries Yet to Be Solved, Part 2. Number 3, what is generating methane in Mars' atmosphere? In the last few years, both Earth-based telescopes and Mars orbiters have detected traces of methane on Mars, a gas that could be the result of present-day biological activity or that could signify other geological processes at play. Recently, findings from NASA's Curiosity rover suggested that low levels of methane on Mars skyrocket tenfold over the course of months. This indicates that there is ongoing production of methane, which is perhaps being vented and quickly dispersed around the rover's Gale crater landing site. While the same gas in Earth's atmosphere is mostly the result of biological activity, scientists say that these Martian observations are not necessarily hardcore evidence of microbial life. NASA believes that the source of this methane is north of Curiosity, but it is nearly impossible to define its precise location. The methane source may remain a mystery for the time being, since the rover is not headed in that direction and instead has its sights set on investigating the layered rocks of the crater's central mountain. Number 4, could humans live on Mars? The race is on to send humans to Mars, with NASA aiming for a Mars mission perhaps by the mid-2030s, and public and private ventures around the world developing the necessary technology. But if humans are to survive at all on Mars, they will have to live and work independently of Earth, and carve out a living from the red planet's natural resources. Habitats will likely need to be built underground, to protect people from dangerous cosmic radiation. Growing food on Mars will also be a challenge, as rovers have shown that the surface soil is sterile and full of toxic compounds called perchlorates. Ambitious space engineers are even now drawing up plans for the next generations of nuclear, chemical, and solar-powered technologies that will not only be able to advance science on Mars, but may also provide the foundation for self-sufficient human habitats. Building more efficient fuel cells and batteries will be necessary for surviving weeks of darkness during regional or global dust storms. Mining the dirt and rocks under their boots will be critical for making air to breathe, clean drinking water, rocket fuel, and basic building materials. The only way to solve this mystery is to have that first expedition to Mars set sail. When that happens, there is no question most of us will be glued to our screens, waiting eagerly for humans to establish their next outpost on Mars. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to YouTube channel Mr. X to see more interesting videos.